Hey, heard your daughter died.
Yeah.
Sucks.
Yeah.
So, how'd it happen?
Well, it all started.
No, Sophia, Taco, tortillas!
So that's how it all happened.
Wow, dude, that sucks.
Yeah.
Hey, you hear? We're jobless, right?
Yeah.
I hear there's a new job at the animal police.
Yeah. What?
Yeah, we can fight crime, and so then there will be no other cause for another sister to die. How's that?
Daughter.
Okay.
Fine. I must avenge that bitch! That tiger!
Let's do it! Da-na-na! Da-na-na! So, you like donuts?
Yep.
So do I. What kind?
Jellyfield.
Chocolate. That's funny, because you said Jellyfield. Ah!
Yep.
What's Jellyfield?
Yep. What the fuck, Alan?
Attention all animal police dudes. Please report outside. There's a tiger that is outside trying to kill people.
It's that fucking tiger! I must avenge her! Boom. That's her! The tiger that killed my daughter.
Let's go get her! Da-na-na! Dude, I killed her! Yeah! Oh my god, it's alive! Save me, it's scratching my face!
No, I gotta go save him.
Cha! Cha! Hey!
Cha! Cha!
Hey! Ha ha ha! You'll never catch me alive, stupid! Woohoo! Suckers! Weehaw! Woohoo!
It's dead. We defeated it.
Whoa. Dude, how'd you get over there?
The tiger got me.
I'll be right there. Dude, where are you, man?
Under you, dumbass.
Somebody tell you what I couldn't tell you. I hope they did, I hope they didn't.